Alright, YouTube. This is a DD15 day cab. It run out of fuel, and we put fuel and bleed the filters out with the primer. After we run for 100 some miles, the truck will cut it off and we'll crank back on. And I had to come back and use the bleeder and crank it. Done it about 4 times with my driver, and everybody was talking about fuel pump, all kinds of major repairs. Please bleed it at least 3 or 4 times, crank it with somebody on the key, keep bleeding. We run the truck for another 500 miles without cutting it off. Cut it off, and it won't crank back on. We had to bleed it, and now we're doing it again. Go ahead. And look, it didn't need no major repairs or nothing. She cranks right back on. Beautiful. Don't let it fool you. Please bleed those things at least 3 or 4 times. If it doesn't crank, as somebody's cranking it, use the bleeder and she will crank it. Make sure you push it down really tight and leave it like that. If after that you got more issues, then you probably have to replace the filters and go so on. But at the beginning, just do it. We save a lot of money by just driving it without cutting it off for about 500 miles, and the truck is working fine. Good luck, everybody.